welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Auntie Daycare. If today's your first day on this channel, I am more than happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. I'm so sorry about the audio edition today. It's just that I've got no choice but to do audio today. All right then, so I believe that next week I should be able to make it up. Okay, so today we're going to be learning how we greet ourselves before Christmas, during Christmas, before the New Year, and during the New Year, okay, in Yoruba language. And as you know, we'll greet everyone together in Yoruba language before we go into our lesson for today, okay? On the count of Enio, Ejo, Eta, Oya, Ekaro, Ekason, Ekale. Akudede àsìkò ní wo tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Auntie Daycare. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ní orí ètò lónìí a máa kọ́ bí a ti ń kí ara wa ní ìgbà ọdún kérésì àti ọdún tuntun. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì òun ni mo máa fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Alright guys, Christmas in Yoruba, okay, is called Ọdún Kérésìmesì. Ọdún Kérésìmesì. And the New Year is called Ọdún Titun. Ọdún Titun, okay? Now, also, some will always call Christmas Ọdún Kékeré. Right? Ọdún Kékeré, and they will call the New Year Ọdún Ńlá. So they will say the Christmas is the mini celebration, right? And the New Year is the big celebration. Okay? So Ọdún Kékeré, Kékeré means small, Ọdún Ńlá means big. So it's the big celebration of the year. So, do you understand that? So if you want to greet someone before Christmas or before New Year, it's the same sentence you're going to use. So it is Aku Imura Ọdún Adébáwáláyọ̀. So that means happy preparation for the Christmas or for the New Year, preparation for Christmas or New Year, and then it will meet us in joy. Aku Imura Ọdún Adébáwáláyọ̀. Do you understand that? That is how you greet before Christmas and before New Year. Now, so if you have to greet someone during Christmas, so you will say, for example, Aku ayẹyẹ ọdún Kérésìmesì. So you're greeting someone and you're saying, oh, happy Christmas. The person, as a Yoruba person, needs to respond to you and say, oh, we will live long to experience more of this Christmas. Okay, so when I say to you, Aku ayẹyẹ ọdún Kérésìmesì, you will say, oh, ẹ̀mí wa ṣọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀ o. Do you understand? Oh, ẹ̀mí wa ṣọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀ o. Okay. Now, if you have to greet someone during the New Year, okay, you will say, Aku ọdún titun o, ọdún ayabo fún wa. Okay, Aku ọdún titun o, ọdún ayabo fún wa. And then person 2 will say, ọdún ayọ̀ la máa ṣe láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Ọdún ayọ̀ la máa ṣe láṣẹ Èdùmàrè, or lágbára Ọlọ́run. Okay, and that is it. Really, really simple. Okay. So just to recap, now you know, if I greet you and say to you before Christmas and before New Year, Aku Imura Ọdún o, you will say Adébáwáláyọ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Okay, and then during Christmas, when I say to you, Aku ayẹyẹ ọdún Kérésìmesì, Aku Yèdún, you will say, oh, ẹ̀mí wa ṣọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀ o. Okay, now during New Year, if I say to you, Aku ọdún titun, ọdún ayabo fún wa, you will say, ọdún ayọ̀ la máa ṣe láṣẹ Èdùmàrè, or lágbára Ọlọ́run. We understand that, right? Okay, so that is how we greet ourselves in Yoruba land during Christmas, during New Year, before Christmas and New Year. Okay, And as you know, I'll be signing out for today, okay? And I will see you after Christmas, okay? Have a lovely, lovely Christmas, okay? And a wonderful new year, okay? We'll be saying our Odabo together on the count of Enio, Ejo, Eta, Oya, Odabo. Thank you very much, Eshio.